Today we're reading a story about, what's it about? What's it about? Farm babies. Look, show it. Farm babies. Yeah, let's see. Open it up. What's that? Pig. Jayden. All right, open it up. What's that one? Cat. Cat. Dog. Look at that dog. That dog looks like Bingo. Yeah. Horse. Donkey. Donkey, that's right. What's that? Lamb. Chicken. It's a baby chicken. Yeah. Horse. Yes. Horse. Sheep. Sheep. Oh. What's that? A cow, right. Alpaca. Look. Alpaca. Oh. Alpaca. A duck. Look at the baby ducks. What's that? A pig. Look at that. Big cows, you're right. A goose. What's that? Friends. Make friends. Say, all done. It's all done. Bye.